Part your lips gently, soften through the jaw. And soften through the skin of the face. Relax the weight of your head. Just allow for a quiet moment of simply being here at the end of your practice. Present with what is. Rest your heart. Relax the weight of your body completely and fully into the earth, soft, heavy. Let your upper body get really heavy. Maybe pardon through the fingertips, soften through the toes. Let your lower body get really